What's up, guys? Michigan Air Gunner. We're gonna go out and hang out with my buddy Kevin for a little bit. He's got a farm where there's a couple barns that just get full of starlings. So what we're gonna do is just kind of go out there before the sun comes up and see how many we can get down. Tonight I'm gonna be using the katran 22 caliber. This is the compact short or tube version. Shooting Hades about 800 feet per second. Yeah, so which is real good for shooting in barns and stuff. I mean, it's not too much power. That was the only real reason that I got it, was to go in barns. Nobody sent it to me. It's just one that I got on trade from Airgun Nation, but I'm pretty sure if you like it, you can probably get one from Tom at High Pressure Pneumatics. I know the scope that we're using you can get, which is the Arkin Zulus, or now DNT Zulus, whatever you want to call it. So it's gonna be dark, so I don't really know how much video footage I'll get, but I know I'll get a lot of night vision footage and I'll get some thermal footage, so it should be pretty fun. Let's go. There's my katran, whatever you want to call it. All right, we're just getting into the barn, and I'm kind of looking around with the ATN Blaze Track Thermal, just seeing what's going on. There's no audio with these ATN monocles, so it's just gonna be us kind of looking through, seeing all them birds flocking around, and then we're just gonna start laying into them. Look at all them. It's crazy. Oh, I got that one. Oh, I was just going for that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it goes.
There you go. I was gonna shoot him. I'm like, nah. Is he gonna go? No. I thought you were trying to shoot him out of there. And missed him.
So there is my buddy Kevin. He's using the FX Crown with the shorter 380 barrel, and he is just nailing these birds. There's more birds up there than we can even really see from the angle that I'm at right now.
Oh my gosh. There he's tipping over. Oh, you little magnificent bastard.
FX Crown for the win. Here we go. Oh, boom.
Oh! They're getting crafty. They're hiding. They're deep in there now.
So now we're just checking out a different barn There was no birds really flying around in them, but I wanted to kind of show this ATN thermal out. This thing is really nice.
Sparrow. I got a starling right here.
Oh, I watched it.
Try and shoot that house sparrow or?
Oh, pigeon.
Huh? Yeah, over there. There's one right there by the opening too.
As you can see, we've kind of knocked down the numbers a little bit, but there's still a bunch hiding up in there where we can't see. So this is just a little break, looking around. A lot of those are dead already, just kind of sitting there. Nothing really flew down to this end, but you know, we're just out there having fun, helping out the farm. They have a real problem with these starlings. They just get into everything and ruin a lot of stuff. And that's why we're out here. Got it. Pigeon. Threaded the needle on that one. Alright. Counting up the birds. Yeah, that's a pile of birds. Alright. 9 pigeons, 65 starlings, and what?
2 house sparrows.
2 house sparrows. Not a bad day. Too bad we can't get more video of us doing it because it's dark, so you can't really see anything. Oh, now we're just kind of seeing if anything else comes out to blink at. What's up, guys? So we just wrapped that up. I'm putting the video stuff together right now, and I kind of just wanted to go over this gun a little bit with you now that it's bright out and you can actually take a look at it. So things I like about this gun: it is super light, it is compact, foldable stock. I mean, it is just an awesome little package. I ended up taking off 2 of the moderator pieces that it comes with so I could shorten this up a little bit and put this 0dB on it. It comes with all the little Arca Swiss mounts that you want to put, or not Arca Swiss mounts, but M-locks, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. You could put 2 magazines in the back. Just a really nice, compact, walking around gun. Things I did not like about this is you cannot have the gun up like this and rack it. The pellets want to jam up. I don't know if other people have that issue, but every time I've tried to shoot this up at an angle, I have to point the gun down. And that's why in the video I had to make a lot of cuts in it, or else you're just going to see me pointing at the floor a lot to cock it. Another thing I did not like about this is this gun's regulator is set at about 150 bar, and if you go below that, it dumps. So that is what also caused my hunting trip to be a little bit short-lived, I guess, because all the air dumped out of the gun, and it's happened to me twice. So I'm guessing that is just a feature of these guns. Do not shoot them below the regulator pressure. Other than that, it's great, but that really did suck, and it will put a damper on your day if you're out there hunting and you're not paying attention to your air gauge. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the bird popping. Me and my buddy Kevin will go out there again later, get some more footage for you. I hope you like the ATN Blaze Trek Thermal. ATN was kind enough to send it out, and I haven't been able to use it as much as I wanted to, just because of how the weather's been. And when I've got a lot of this stuff, it was deer season. So deer season for me takes precedent over everything else. But we will get a lot more footage with that stuff. Anyway, till next time, guys, keep shooting.